Hello my chickens, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing full glam makeup with only drugstore products. I feel like I always use high-end products, so I feel like we need to change it up. I have some of my favorites here that I really want to share with you guys and also some new ones. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right guys, now it's time for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go with this BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded Palette. Beautiful packaging. I haven't used this one yet. So I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to pop this in the crease with a fluffy blending brush. In we go. Oh, I love that formula so far. It's really easy to blend out. Next, I'm going to take this cool tone brown right here. I'm going to pop this in my crease. You guys know me, most of the makeup looks that I do in my lifetime are super simple and straightforward. Ooh, it's kind of cute. This is blending out really nicely. So if you guys that don't know, I'm actually moving to a different state really soon. Literally in like 10 days or something. No, maybe like 15 days. I'm actually so excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. Oh my God. And yesterday was the first time me and Michael spoke about it in person. It was so funny. The next color I'm taking is this beautiful olive green right here. This is honestly my favorite eyeshadow look to do, is like anything with an olive green. So I'm very excited for this one. Hopefully it's super sparkly. I'm gonna put my head back a bit because I don't want to fall out on my little lashes. Oh my. I did spray my brush with Fix Plus, but that looks incredible. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the Quick Flick. This is an eyeliner pen that has a little stamp on one side and then the normal eyeliner on the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp this on. I'm really hoping it's going to look cute. I used it yesterday. It looked amazing and I've used it a few times before. I just like really need to concentrate. It's a lot easier than just using a normal eyeliner. Okay, so it just gives me like a rough guide. And then I go in with my normal eyeliner and connect the dots, dog licker. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes. So these ones are from Holy Grail and these ones are in the style Sugar. I need to seriously fix up this eyeliner. I'm gonna smoke out some black underneath my lash line so it all kind of like ties in together. So I'll be right back after I apply these. All right, time for foundation. So I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I have the shade Warm Beige and Sand. I think I'm gonna go in the shade Warm Beige. This one's more my tone at the moment, a bit pale. Oh my God, the best thing in the world, the Real Techniques like beauty sponge thing. I am obsessed. All right, let's start blending in this foundation. That is a lot of foundation. Just how I like it, Bindi. It is time to carve out those brows, girl. Oh shit. Just made them a bit thinner. Oh my God, what's wrong with me today? Of course, going in with that concealer again, I really hope this is like a little bit lighter than the foundation. Gonna blend her out. Oh yeah, I'd say it's a tiny bit lighter. That's all right. For the powder today, I'm going in with the original formula Airspun Loose Face Powder. I never use this one, but it actually is incredible. For some reason, I always just lean for the more expensive things because I'm like, well, I paid a lot for them, so I'm going to be getting my money's worth. But yeah, here we are, Bindi. Okay, so for the rest of the face, I'm taking my fave. It is the Australis Fresh and Flawless in the shade Darkest Brown, which is not even dark. They really need to get a better color range because that annoys me. I'm just going to, oh wow, dab this all over my face. I don't like to like swipe it or anything because the like foundation underneath will move. This definitely does add a little bit more extra coverage, which is why I love it. And my makeup always lasts so long with this on top. Okay, girl. So next up, I'm going to go in with this shade and I'm just going to pop this from outer corner to inner corner and then we're going to put some black under there. Really going to smoke this out under the eyes. Oh my goodness, I just got so much eyeshadow in my eye because this stuff is like a little bit powdery. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow. This one is from Makeup Geek, which I think is still pretty affordable. I'm just gonna take a little pencil brush and just pop this on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Kind of just connect the two. And then mascara for the lower lash line, I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic. This is my all-time favorite. This is honestly incredible. So I'm just going to put heaps of mascara on. A lot, if you know what I mean. Alrighty, it's time for the face. I'm so excited for this because I feel like this is like the fun part of doing makeup. I hate doing eyes. That's why I always do such basic eye looks. I hate it. So for the bronzer, I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics Brilliance bronzer in the shade Cocoa Cute. I love their bronzers a lot. This isn't my favorite shade from them. I do need to get some more, but that's just what I'm going to use today. I don't know. I feel like this was going to be super muddy. I'm just going to make sure I just use it a little bit. I think this is too dark for me. If you guys can recommend me any good bronzers from the drugstore, please let me know. I'm just going to take a tiny bit. Oh, that was not a tiny bit of MAC Give Me Sun, just because I actually don't really have any good ones. Oh my god, I think there was some of that Physicians Formula stuff left on the brush. Oh, sorry. All right, time for the blush. I'm taking this one from Jordana. This one's in the shade 32 Rose Silk. I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer brush. I kind of like to mix these two colors together, like a bit of bronze, a bit of pink. I'm just gonna pop this on the apples of my cheeks and blend it back. I've been so obsessed with blush lately. Like on an everyday basis, when I wear makeup, I literally just do blush instead of highlight or bronzer. It looks so good. Now it's time for the highlight. I'm going in with this new one by Wet n Wild. Well, it's new to me, so yeah. This is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Blossom Glow. Oh, my favorite highlighting brush in the world, the Anastasia A23. I would prefer a golden highlight, but it is really pretty. I like the formula. I'm gonna go in with this one from Essence instead. This looks like more like a champagne shade. Oh, wow. Chisel, manizzle, that is dramatic. I feel like shades like this make me look a bit ashy because it's too light for my skin. Okay, going in with the Revolution lip liner in the shade Classic. Now it's time for a lip gloss. I'm taking this Hailey Baldwin for Model Co. Red Lip Gloss. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. I feel like it's so Christmassy. Hello, hi, I'm here. Okay guys, so here we have the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super easy to do. I'm wearing a lingerie bra with a jacket. I know I get so much hate when I do that, but I like it, okay? Oh, got lipstick in my teeth. That's why I don't like wearing lip gloss. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up because that helps. Well, you can even see a big thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. I have to keep looking at my teeth because I'm really nervous about this, but yeah, super easy. Everything that I used was actually really good products. I'm super impressed with everything. So yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ah.